Howdy guys, Dain with CRE Guide, your guide to commercial real estate. We're an online platform where you can find and look for real estate professionals. We're at the CLBA Conference in Orlando, and we have a great panel today. I'm going to introduce Marie over here. Marie, if you want to give a little background about yourself.
My name is Marie Lokmanyan. I'm the Senior Vice President here at CRE Financial. We specialize in working capital lines of credits and loans. I've been in the industry for over 25 years, just coming from a banking background, now in the alternative lending space.
When our clients need quick working capital, we call you.
We go $5,000 to $1.5 million down payments. They need working capital afterwards, right, for build up or pay their contractors.
But it takes forever to get approval with you and get funds, I think.
3 to 4 days.
3 to 4 days, you know.
Yeah,
so that's
we have
unheard
automation,
of. Yeah.
3 to 4 days, we get it done.
Tony, what do we got?
So I'm Tony Cimino, VP of Business Development for Rock Financial. And basically, we are a commercial finance broker. So we work with all different products, everything from SBA to term loans, lines of credit, equipment finance, asset-based lending. 99.9% of what we do comes through some form of referral, whether that's a banker or another broker or even a lender. We have a lot of relationships. That's why we come to shows like this is, yes, we want to meet new, but a lot of it has to do with, being in the room with all the people we're doing business with all the time.
My name's Dain. I'm the host of CRE Guide, but I'm also the Chief Origination Officer at New Day Commercial Capital. New Day Commercial Capital is a coast-to-coast lender. We specialize in commercial real estate lending. We do SBA 504 loans, $150,000 to $17.5 million on our first trust deeds. We do non-SBA loans. We'll go up to $17.5 million. And we also do investor financing. We have full doc, we have light doc, we have bank statement programs. We go down to a 600 FICO score. Most of these lenders, most of these brokers go into CRE Guide, and then you can go in there and filter. You can look, I need a lender that specializes in SBA 7A lending. I need a working capital deal. All I need it, and I need 3 days, I need working capital. I'm going to call Marie. Eric, what do you guys do?
Yeah, my name's Eric O, and I am the Regional Sales Manager for the West Region team at Velocity SBA.
Separate company?
Yes.
Yes.
We are one of the 19 non-bank SBA lenders providing financing to businesses across the country, nationwide, entertaining both real estate transactions, whether it's a purchase or refinance, business acquisitions, partner buyouts, debt refinances, pretty much the full umbrella of uses of proceeds that the SBA 7A would allow.
Scotty Coleman and I go back a long way. Give us a quick intro, who you with, and how long you been doing it?
I'm with Northwest Bank. We specialize in SBA 7A, 504, and some USDA. Where we're really different in the marketplace is we're doing pari passu loans or combo lending. So we'll take the SBA all the way up to the $5 million limit and put a $3 million conventional loan on top of that.
Pari passu's big, all right, when you get into these bigger deals. But
typically with the pari passu loans, you're dealing with a slightly more sophisticated borrower.
And what niches do you go after?
Primarily, we're doing a lot of M&A work, business acquisitions. We're not afraid to do a deal with absolutely no collateral, which is in the industry known as the airball.
Yeah. Another broker to the industry, and these conferences are just so important to put a face-to-face connection and build out. So give us a little background about yourself, the company you're with, and what you're doing.
Dean Roberts with Progressive Capital Lending. You can find us at progressivecapitallending.com. It's my job to kind of listen to the customer. Hey, this is what I need, this is what I need. And then we're here at this conference, so we go back out and leverage those relationships.
One of the things that I've noticed, at least in the last 10, 12 years that I've been in the industry, is we've seen more and more niching style lenders where it's like, hey, we only do this or we only do that.
There's enough lenders out there. Find what that underwriter likes, his or her niche.
We love restaurants here at ARF. So if you go in a restaurant, start talking to the owner. Give a couple of compliments, ask for a number. You're giving them business, ask for business back. And people are going to be open. You go to a dentist, talk to the dentist.
All day long.
All day long.
And people hit me up all the time. I manage a sales team as well, and I'm like, what do we do that everyone else doesn't do? Almost no one touches cash out investor offices. So when you go to these conferences, finding people that do like these little niche things, hotel, motel, flagged, non-flagged, I do all day, right? find those type of properties that people need the financing on, and that's like the lowest hanging fruit out there.
This event pulls together a lot of folks who are very well experienced in the space. They're committed to coming here to further their education. It gives us the ability to understand what our competitive landscape is.
We're all investing time, money, resource to be here. We may as well make it the most impactful thing for everybody.
There's probably around 500 people here for the second conference, and to put that on, these guys have a background. Terry and Scott, just phenomenal people. They know how to put on a good conference and bring value.
You know, you're real, you're there. Give me some ideas. What's working? What's not working? You know, you share ideas, cultivate relationships. You know, you got to do these in-person networking events.
Well, and that's what people in the market don't understand, that it's a collaborative effort. Without brokers and lenders, and people are like, well, I'm going to go to Velocity. I'm like, call Eric, he's great. You know, like most of the high networking people, call Scott, he's great. Like we all network together. It's not a secret. If we need working capital, get Marie involved. You know, Tony, I want to come out and do a training, right? You know, Dain, like let's work together more on deals. But it's a collaborative effort. And without all of us, you know, deals don't generally get done.
You want to be a solution provider to your clients. You want to be a consultant. You want to wear that hat where you're a one-stop shop. You have access to different lenders. You have access to different options. And you want to upsell. And that's what we're all here to do.
I wanted to thank all you guys for coming on today, giving an insight about the conference. And let's get a lot of business done, you guys, this year.